Rsuh Snack&Attack here with our second video ever of Roblox TNT Rush. Hope you guys enjoy, because we do.
Time this. If you don't like,
The winner is Care Bear.
we're not gonna play this game anymore. Okay? If you don't like, we're not gonna play this game.
Who are you talking to?
Yeah, so at the gravity coil, which costs a lot of money, costs $750 coins, and you can see I just spent it.
Kevin. Happy home in Roblox here. It's just us and some other dude. What's his name?
Yeah. the boring.
As the boring.
As the boring, yeah. Shout out to you for playing this game with us.
Yeah. Care is our special guest here on Snack&Attack.
He usually plays TNT Rush with us.
Oh crap! That thing just fell
Oh gosh, I almost.
in. I'm already dead, guys.
I haven't died because I'm awesome.
What I like about this game, and it's good for y'all too, because I can spectate when I'm dead.
Oh, I finished! I won!
You won!
Yay!
Attack won. Attack is Jeff Corpse, I am Snack the Great.
I really need to change my name. Change.
Jeff Corpse.
30 coins. What'd you get?
I got 6 coins.
You got 6 coins. Kira got 2.
Bubby monkey baby. Bubby monkey baby.
I've been winning a lot since I got the gravity coil.
Yeah.
By the way, unless you want it, don't get the crowbar.
Yeah. That's only good for it's only really good for musical blocks.
Yeah. You only can use it if someone's on your block. I'm stuck. Okay. Chill out. We're playing Chill Out. One of my favorites.
Lava Lake.
Chill out.
Chill out, bruh.
One of my favorites. Dude, I almost made it to the end of a race once, but then you know those things that come up and down?
Yeah.
They got me.
The lava.
Yeah. The lava streams that come up and down.
Call them lava jets.
Yeah, those. One. Go. You're blowing stuff.
Well,
The guy just went around. Red coin, and then I just went and got it.
Yeah.
That was funny. Like,
Oh, smokes.
No, dang it, I got it.
Holy smokes. I'd rather fall
0
than
points.
get burnt. Snap.
Red coin. I haven't lost any body parts.
Sames. Oh, and I fell.
I've been fell. Oh man, nobody died. Sorry.
No one's
My
died.
arm came off with the gravity coil.
Oh,
I
crap.
can still use it.
Oh, snap.
Never mind.
Whew.
I can't use it. So if your arm comes off,
Ah, I jumped into the lava.
I didn't.
Let's go, Jeff.
Oh, I died. I just said that I died. Oh man, that was cheesy. What kind of arms are those? What are those?
Soothing spot. Okay, that just
Yeah, I thought you got a skin, didn't you? Like me?
Yeah, I did. I got the ace guy. The
Why didn't you
owner.
equip it?
Oh.
Equip it.
Equip it.
Seriously, equip it.
Yeah. I want them to see the real beautiful me.
So after 3 rounds, we were probably in this video.
Yeah. You Snack the legend. Probably in this video.
Probably. We probably sure.
Then we're gonna
Sure
go do
will.
some scrap mechanic.
Because it's been 12 minutes, right?
Actually.
That's on Skype.
Oh yeah.
I think it's been 10 minutes.
I think it's been 5 minutes. for us recording.
Has it been 5 minutes, Becca? Or Karen? Has it been 5 minutes?
Yeah, we've been recording for 5 minutes.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, just exactly 5 minutes.
We can have like...
Whoa.
40 no.
We can have 45.
No!
Ah, what?
I did this.
I won! GG.
I did the Steam thing and then... No, your dance moves isn't that great. Your arm came off from the dance moves.
30. That's right, folks.
What the heck? You just put your mouth to your nose. That's just what you did. That's right, folks. That's right.
Snack Attack is back. Word. Yeah, I did sound loud. It was like muffled. Oh shoot.
To subscribe
7.
to our YouTube channel, Snack and Attack.
So many people say E-tack. It's attack. People gotta be so tacky.
I'm not using the gravity coil.
You're not?
Okay, I died.
Oh, Care if I died. Care Bear.
I never won. There.
No one.
No one won. Wow.
I just got XP. Experience.
Okay,
It's been 8 minutes.
I'm back.
Welcome back. 8 minutes.
Oh, eating it too. No, I was eating this taco. My taco. Let me have the taco. Look, I'm eating it every time I jump. Num.
Mum.
Num. Num.
He's eating his mum.
Num. Looks like I'm licking it. Hey, why is everyone coming here? Boy.
Because you're. I think you're filming. Well, AZ is the only one that would come to you. So that's Care, which is with us.
Wait, I have more money than AZ. You want to You. How do you do the glitch?
I think you have to keep clicking it. I think you have to have a boost. Like something that boosts.
People just go. Yeah. No, I died. I'm different. Yeah,
It's
I'm
me and
different.
ads.
You were
as
so
the-
close to dying. I saw that.
I know. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh crap. Oh crap. It's Snack Attack and I'm dead.
That was your fault. You jumped into the lava and said, "I believe I can fly."
True.
I'm gonna look up that song because it's so awesome.
Don't play it.
I'm playing it.
No. 9 minutes.
Okay, I'll play whenever. Never mind. I'll just play
When the
right
video
now.
ends. No.
I
Don't.
believe
I'm gonna
I
mute
can
him.
fly.
Mute him.
I'm gonna play it for a little bit and see. It's by R. Kelly.
Yes.
It is.
Music box.
Yay!
Yeah, baby.
There's a Coke commercial.
Coke. Don't say that word on my channel.
Coke. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch your mom.
guys didn't know, I'm a professional at this one.
Okay, we're playing musical block.
Musical.
Musical.
Musical. Oh shoot. Yes. Family friendly gaming for the whole family. Even for your mother.
For your
But cool
mother.
for the summer. Yeah. Da da da. Da da da.
I believe I can fly.
I believe I can touch the ground every night and day. Wings and far away. I believe I
Did you
can
just say
touch.
eat beans and far away?
Yes. No. I want that coin. Oh yes! Oh yeah, baby, baby. GG. You're the one who bounced off of me. 68 coins. Holy crap. I have 434 coins.
Here, I'm gonna go get a drink. Milk. One for Chloe's. Milk.
But he needs some milk.
You don't say, I need some milk.
He needs some milk. 12 minutes. 2 more rounds, boys and girls. This goes out to ladies. Okay, I'm back.
20 minutes.
What?
For 20 minutes.
Oh. The video's been 13 minutes.
Okay.
Just doing my maths. No biggie. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Don't push the button. Cause we're cool for the summer heat. Dinner. Cool for the summer. Oh snap! No! Snap down. Now it's up to you.
It's so easy.
I know. Hey, you have a gravity coil. Oh, snap. Or should I say, oh, snap?
Yeah, you should.
It's up to you. Stick to the branding, kids.
I spelled the sweet tea, so.
Yes, I did copy that off someone. Eight coins. Graphics. Okay. 14 minutes. Last round, Eli. 15 minutes attack.
What do you want? Hello?
One more thing.
Okay, then this video will end. That's a good drink. I don't know why I say that. I just joined the game that you said, and it played the side my snoop blog, and it said smoke weed. That I'm like, no. I'm like, why is it joined too? It's smoke weed. I'm like, Brett.
It's obviously
Why
someone
can't you use my
playing it.
gravity coil?
Lol. Stabby. I kill Care Bear. And as. Oh no, as is after me. I'm after you, son. Of a kid. Son of a dad. Son of a dad. Oh, you dead. Oh, I thought you dead. Attack?
Yes.
Okay, you're there. You're silent.
In there, boy. Like another bot. Sideways. Chew to the beat. Chew. I don't know what I say.
Oh shoot! I died.
You died?
Yeah.
Nice job.
It's all up to you. Attack. Nice job. Failure.
Okay. That's all this time on Snack and Attack.
Yeah. See you next time.
We'll see you later.
Bye bye.